Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Harmless TV. Today we want to talk of our people, our African people in diaspora, and also those that are in Africa when be saying and then they help their family, especially those in Europe in diaspora outside Africa when it be saying and then they help their relation. Now then they provide for them. Now then they give them everything what they need. Now then be their leg and their hands. As somebody carry this pot of hope, come give una today. Say I tell una say all una good una dey do for una people e no lost. God dey watch. So may you not discourage yourself. Don't be discouraged. Always do what is there in your mind and leave the rest for God to take control. I beg any of you when it be say you dey get bad mind concerning wetin e be say you dey do for your people, or maybe the things wey e be say you do for your people no they no appreciate am, and at last e be like say get as your life come be. I dey tell you today say make you no worry, say God dey your side. God go lift you up. Make you never give up in life, because why I dey talk this thing be say e don too much dey happen for every day. When it be say some of our girls and boys they dey frustrated in this Europe, one na because of their family. They drag themselves for documents, for work, so on and so forth, but they cannot sleep, they cannot eat without giving to their family. I say you should relax, that God is with you and God will provide for you. Not let yesterday take too much of today for your life. The failure when you learn, the failure that comes to you is a learning for you, and that failure go bring out success for your life. It go make sure say success go enter your life, because you don learn wetin e be say e no favor you. So now you go follow your own way. When e be say God go do am for you, e must surely favor you. Even though say you still dey help your people, e no mean. Why I dey talk am be say many of our people they don dey frustrated, especially for Europe. When e be say they help their family for long time ago, many years, even up till now they still dey help them, but still their family no wan appreciate their good when they dey do, and people around them no wan still appreciate their good when they dey do. I say make you not change your character, not change your behavior, no use because of that one dey frustrated. Just continue the way when you dey do and leave the rest for God. Never you forget that it is not whether you got knocked down, it is whether you get up. Not be because say you fall, but not because you get up. That is the reason why. So you have to stand up on your feet and forget that you fall down. You have to pick up the pieces of your life and move on from there. Many of our people, when it be say the things when they don't do for their family till today, many they regret, but may you not regret, because failure will never be an obstacle in your life if your determination to succeed is strong enough. Not just they think anything, no matter what. Because for this Europe, many of our people they when it be say they no fit marry. Some sef no fit get pikin again because their time don pass. The time when they suppose marry, get that pikin, that they help their family. Many sef they not even remember to live their own life. Now the life of their family now that they live. But just hold on and just think small. Wetin Bible talk concerning the good things when we dey do. Bible always dey tell us say God will always repay us. Because person when do good for other people, you are obeying the commandments of God. You are obeying the voice of God. So God will never let you fall. He will surely send helper for you in any area of your life, in any condition of your life. Don't just disturb yourself and get stressed up because of that. Because many of our girls and boys, the character when be say they play for this Europe, maybe their character be that. They were not born to be in that kind of situation, in that kind of behavior. But now situation might lead them to that way. So please, my brother and sister, you remember say Even for your country or in Africa, anywhere, you not dey sell drug before you enter Europe. You not be prostitute before you enter Europe. So if you find yourself in that kind of condition for the Europe when you dey, abeg, try to know and hold your dignity. Stand on your word. Stand on who you are. No matter what, no let that work defile you. Because when people will see how you are behaving, they will not reason. The only thing that they will reason is that you are a wayward somebody. You are like this, you are like that, you are not good, you are useless, and also that is so on and so forth. But within you, you know say you be good person. You know say you be person when you be say you dey help. You can never see person cry for your present when it be say you not help am. So abeg, try make you dey hold that kind good behavior. You dey for prostitution today, not mean say na that one be your work. No, e no mean say you go continue until the ending of your life. Nobody, no girl or man that are in a prostitute work that will tell you face to face that he or she like what he's doing. There is none. Nobody. So since you know that that one is not your work, that work or that job, you don't like it, don't bring out your behavior to be in that ways. Don't behave like a prostitute. Don't even behave like a drug dealer, because that is not your job. You just find yourself in that kind of situation because of the way life is. So try to hold your dignity. Try to respect yourself in any manner so that people around you go still respect you. Because your pains, now waiting it be say you they use your stress, your own power till they do to help others out. But people when you they do and for, they know the reason and like that. So not spoil your life because of other people. No matter that job, how strong, rich, still remember, say that one not be your position. Say one day you are going out of that place. So you need to behave normally, the way when people will fit welcome you. You can learn more from failure than from success. You understand? So forget say you help your family, you help them, you do everything for them, but today you are nowhere. My sisters and brothers, you are somewhere. Because you are a child of God. God have lifted you up to be the hero in your family. God have lifted you up to help out your family. God have lifted you up to be their leader. Even if they see it or not, God in heaven is seeing it. And people around you, they are seeing it. Many people not feel born pikin again because they help their family. The time when they're supposed to get pikin, or the time when they're supposed to marry, they not feel reason that time. Because why? Too much work there for their heads to do. But I won't give you hope today to tell you, say, Sarah, you know Sarah was an old woman before he even got pregnant and gave birth to Isaac. Remember. So God, many of them in the Bible. So your own will not be different. Your own will not be difficult for God to do for you, no matter it. Even though na house you never build, though, na car you never buy, you na pikin you never born, na husband you never marry, na work you never get. Because of the good one they do for people, now make you never do all those things. I say make you not worry yourself. Say God dey your side. All those things God go prepare and well. Your own go be double. And it go double the blessing for you. We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. No matter any defeat when you encounter in this life, don't be defeated. Always stand up. Because the way of good things, of prosperity, it not dey easy like that. It is strong. Everybody must surely fall before they stand. You will fall, you will stand, you will rise, you will fall, you will rise, you will fall. It's like that. Failure will never be an obstacle in your life if your determination to succeed is strong enough. So no matter that situation, pick up the pieces of yourself now. According to P Square, he said, can you break a broken bottle? The bottle when it be said they don't break already, pick that pieces and move on. Nobody can break you again. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Say we know something, you know they enough. We must apply to what we know. Wishing is not enough. We must do. I wish I have this, I wish I have that. It's not enough. You must do something so that you will get that thing that you wish of. If you never comot, if you dey inside, now you go dey fear. But once you stand on your feet, that fear will run away from you. We generate fear while we sit, yes, but we overcome them by actions. You have to take actions of your life. All of you, all human in this world is born with a gift, with a destiny. God get gift when he give you. Even as your parents, they carry your belly. Now so God they put that gift for your head. So remember yourself. Say, wetin be that thing when I dey do when I dey small? Which work I dey do? Which kind of funny thing I dey do when I dey small? Some people that they sing when they dey small. Some that they dance. Some that they do funny things. When if they talk, say people go laugh. Some that they do handwork. Some that they learn. Some that they write. Some that they read. Many things when you do when you dey small. Remember it. If you cannot remember now, before that makes things to be difficult in your life, remember the thing when it be saying now you dey do that time. Put your strength and all your hope in that thing. Stand up and do that thing. That thing is your gift from God. And if you stand on that your word, God will surely help you. Be kind. When even every time that is possible for you to give, and don't even expect people to give you back. Do it in secret, so that our God in heaven will do his own openly. Some people in Africa, many of our people for Africa, they deceive many of their family for Europe for many years. And each of them, when we say they do all those things, if you even help them to enter Europe, what you did to them, they can never do it to others. Because they know that they are playing you. They are deceiving you. So if they enter, that thing what you do for them, they no go fit do am for another person. They go try make they secure their life. Because they see say, maybe they call you say, now you be the mumu. Or maybe you not get sense. You get sense, my dear. You are a hero. Be you man or woman. You get full sense, confidence is there for your body. Nothing do you at all. But the problem be say, not just put your hope in all those bad things alone. Especially this time now when you be say this coronavirus disease, they come full everywhere now. As people now when you be say they go hustle for especially girls or boys. This time now it's dangerous for them to move out. And when you use this time to encourage you, they tell you say anything when you feel do for your life to move on, my dear, do it and forget about that evil ways. Forget about that ways. Some of you are tailor. Some of you are carpenters. Some of you are painters. Some of you can even design houses. Some of you can design clothes. Some of you can plait hair. Some of you can sing, dance. Some of you can read, write, many things. Some of you can even babysit. Some of you can take care of people at their home. Any of that job, my dear, start doing it now. We know it's not possible. It's not even so easy now because many places are being locked down. But I tell you, sure, you have telephone, you have your assets, you have your Facebook. Anything when you be saying I be your work when you dey do. If you dey do am, video that thing, carry and come out for Facebook. People go call you. People when need to learn from you, they go call you. People when need, may you can't do that thing for them. May you can't help them do that work. May you can't work for them. They go call you. No matter what. Remember, say, even though Igbo people go open store. You go think say only the customers when they see the store they enter, and only then now they know. No, they don't put all that their business for inside internet. So, and many people they search online, that they call them. So you need to apply all those things. And all of your dream will come true. If you have the courage to pursue them. Make sure you pursue your dreams. Better things come to those who got out and get them. Really, if you need good things, you have to stand on your feet, go out and get them. Not let anybody deceive you. Nothing say now you don dey old now, how you want to do this one again? There is no time to be old. No, even white people, when e be say that they work reach how many years? No time is late for you to pick up your destiny, to arrange your ways of life. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you did up, God will surely open that way for you. So all these una characters when they play online, I beg make una forget am, because that one may be una character. Who see you for hotel wey be say they come work with you? Na the way when you take behave, na man go tell you say, even for that hotel, you go see man when go fit marry you for there, go tell you say, really, no, you not be like some other girls when they meet. You go tell you say, the way when you dey, this one is not your job. Now then themselves, they go even use their mouth to tell you say, this one does not fit you, this work does not fit you. You have other things to do in your life. So forget about all this devilish voice making us to think that our life has finished and we have helped others. Now we have no, you get help, my dear. That help when you help other people. Remember, say you don't know wetin e be say na im God say dey save your life. You don't know wetin e be say na im God say dey save your life. Me, when e be say I dey talk to you, so I will soon come out with that testimony. I will come out with that testimony very soon about how God saved my life and the life of my children. The words, 3 voices came to me. The second voice told me that because of the help and the goods when you do for people, you can never die at this your early age. Yes, that voice tell me. He say, whether me I know say that the goods and the help when they help people, now make my life, now make I dey live, now make I never die. It counts for me how many times when it be say I don't get difficulties, I don't even face death face to face, but God rescued my soul. So that good when you dey do, nothing say na just zero work now you dey do. Nothing say your life don't finish for that, because God, He get the way when He say they keep am for you. Maybe now that good now they save your life. Some people when it be said they even they born, some they born, they die where they for they born. So you don't know whether God even want rescue your life. Name can when it be say you never born. Some that they die on their marriage day. You don't know whether now God wants to keep your life. Now make you never do your own marriage. Last time we dey watch am for inside Facebook, one woman of more than 60 years old, she gave birth to twins. Some even they born 4, 3 after so many years of childlessness in their marriage. So please, just put your hope in God. Continue to do that your favor, that your blessing when you dey bless others. Continue to do am. If you get the opportunity to do am, not deny it. And the Bible even talk and say we should have to give within our hearts. Within our hearts, say me we give out. Now we go give up. Maybe by force. Nobody will force you to give. Because if you say you don't have, you don't have. They will not kill you. But being you the good person, being you the person that was sent from God to rescue, your mind can never hold you back. No matter the condition. Even when it be say you don't still help people, those people not still help, they not even remember you. You not go feel stop, because now the work when God send you, now be that one. You not go feel stop. You must surely continue to do, even though say you not even see. When person cry to you, you go even try make you solve that person on first. Because why? That is the person you are. You cannot change it. God don't give you that gift already. And that gift of giving will lead you to heaven. It is better for us to give than to receive. It does not matter. Please. Does not matter at all whether the thing they move or whether you know they move. Or as far as say God dey your side, you go continue until God will answer you. It go dey surprise for everybody. Then we say, maybe this person be this, maybe this person be this. I even don't remember sometime when I travel go Africa. I don't know some people for roads. If I dey walk up for street, people they call me. Then they call me stand, they tell me, say, God will surely bless you. Then they pray for me, but I don't know with them. I go, they ask, they say, what thing I do? They say, what thing you they do for your people with Siam? How you take they rescue your people with Siam? How you take help them? God go, they pray for me. God go bless you. God go do the same thing. Let me tell you, somebody like me, no favor for this life. When I go ask God when he no go do it for me, he not there. And no matter the condition when I dey, any place when I reach, I dey see person when they help me. Why? Because I dey help others. If you know they help person, if you know they give person, you get the kind of condition when you dey, nobody go still hear from you. Nobody go give you. But if you be person when you be say your mind dey free to give, even though say be those people when you give, say God go send another person to come give you. Now so you take the work. So please, make una not feel say all una hope don't finish. I beg, no hope is finished. You know the hope not finished. Your hope is in God. That God when they touch your heart to the door, that God will touch your life and He go put better thing for your life when you go to the do. And God, He go even they bless you. Always they pray for your life. Say, may God bless you so that you go feel bless others. If you they do that prayer, God go they give you. And I say they give you now, so you go they give others. Because now waiting you ask from God. Me, right from my childhood, when I see the situation of Africa, I see the situation of my people, I always pray. I say, God, bless me so that I will bless my family. Help me so that I will rescue this family. Help me so that I will rescue my people. Yes. And now so God still do am. God do am whole ha and rescue each and every one of them. I save each and every one of them. So the one when you go feed do, my dear, do it with good heart. Not do and to say you dey wait make the person pay you back. If the person pay you back, which means that good again, not be good you do am for her again. Now credit now work, that is now borrow you borrow am. The money when you borrow I don't pay you, not be good be that one. But the one when you do, when you forget your say you even do am for that person, now that one I God they read. No matter anywhere where they carry your name go, no matter anywhere where they carry your picture go, as far as say you they do good, God they mark am for you. Nobody can ever get you. They will just stumble and fall. They will plan for nothing's sake. Because why? You are covered with the blood of Jesus. You are covered with good mind, not evil. Now person when they do bad, now bad they meet. If they do good, now go they meet you in all your ways. There is one program I watch. This boy was from Brazil side. The boy, now homosexual, now the boy they do for Paris, for France. This boy work for France as a man with homosexual, with his body, man, not just mention with his body, he open his body just to help his family. He see the situation when the family dey for Brazil. Now he move. He reach France. He start to do this useless work, homosexual work. Now so the boy suffer. Police beat him every time. Document self he not even get. He do all this work for how many years? All the whole money they send and they go Brazil. So they even build house. Even they send money, give themselves. Say they help and build house for Brazil. As the boy now come say he don't tire and make it go back so that he go see in house all the money when he don't sell so that he go start business. He go forget about this way. You can imagine that this our brother, he reach Brazil, he reach his village. They don't see house bring come out. If you see house when they build for this man, hey, if you see house, now just one room, the house there for inside bush, on top of water, all those ladder when they put, make people think they cross water. Now so they put 4 ladder like that, stand plank house for them. Now be the whole money when this boy sent from France. The boy reached that he cry in life. We watch him total. He cry in life. He say why? He say why? Why they go do this thing to him?
All the family they escape. No one bring anything come out for her. In money for back, they not see bring. House, they not see house bring come out. Land said they no land because where they put the house now on top of water, they put 4 stick. They stand up for her. But my dear, the poor man did not kill himself. He not kill himself. He just know that since it's like that, so which means he have to change his ways of living. He have to now stand up for his own. You cannot die for people. If you are trying to die for people, then they will be the one trying to kill you more. You go this surprise say, now your sister when you carry come for Europe, now your brother when you carry come for Europe with your own money when you help, that your brother, that your sister, he go even they do something self, he not go let you know, he not go tell you. Because maybe in go think say maybe if he tell you, you will come to feel bad mind because you don't help them, you not get anything. Many of them, they not go even feel send money self go give their mother, but they forget send as person I send that money go give them with all their generation for how many years. So no stress yourself, I beg. Make una just dey live as God just dey want am. Small. Now God now they give person hope. And that God go always they lead you, they go. Your limitation is only your imagination. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Something later becomes never, my dear. Great things never comes from comfort zone. Dream it. Success doesn't just find you. It is you that finds success. You will never just try to be great before you start. You start to be great. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Dream bigger. So it's like that. Don't let that frustration hold you down. Don't let that limitation hold you down. Now just the way when they just feel say maybe now so your life will just be. Your life can never be that way. You are a genie, you are a genie, you are a legend, you are a legend, you are a hero, you are a hero. You keep on being hero. Even in this life, even in afterlife. I still dey pray for God. Make it still dey bless me. Because I get many people when I still want help for this life. Many. Now the some than the ones when my hand reach, now I fit do for that time. But if they pay me, say, if many people still there when it be say I never do for them. So that is why we need God's favor always. Don't say you are tired of doing good to somebody. If you get tired of doing good, God will even be tired for giving you that money. Because God is giving you that money. He's helping you so that you can help others. So be wise. Be wise. And lead yourself in the ways of God. Not in the ways of men. Even though say today you not get picking, tomorrow you go get. No matter what. No matter what. Even though say you not get that money today because you help people, tomorrow people dey when it be say they go help you. Your children, they will never suffer. Your condition will always be better condition. You will always find somebody to help you. So be strong, my dear, and don't let that situation roll you down. Don't be defeated, my dear. Just hold yourself. People who are crazy to change the world are the ones who do. If you are crazy to do good things, you will do it. Always let positivity come to your mind. Forget obstacle. Forget all this negativity. Forget all of them. Not even think. Not even reason yourself. Say you give person money, you do this one for people. No reason them at all. Put all those ones at your backside. Say yes. Now wetin God create you, may you do be that. Now the work when God give you, now be that one. You may only succeed if you desire succeeding. You may only fail if you do not mind failing. Courage is resistance to fear, mystery of fear, not absence of fear. Only put off until tomorrow what you are willing to die having left undone. We become what we think about most of the time, and that is the strangest secret. The only place where success comes from is from God. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fear. I pray that today God will remove that spirit of fear in your life in Jesus' name.
Please continue having hope in Christ, for only him can do it for us. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.